All right, boys, I'm back. Welcome to day 53 of Road to 100K. I know I've been gone for a week. I took a break off the charts. I needed a mental reset, and I feel like I have it now. I'm in a way better position mentally, physically, and emotionally, so I'm ready to get back on the charts and destroy the markets. I'm sorry I didn't tell you boys on the YouTube that I'm going on a break, but I told the boys in the Discord that I wasn't going to be on the charts all week, and yeah, I'm back now and feel better than ever. Market's about to open soon, so let's head inside. All right, boys, market's about to open in a few minutes. I'm trading on demo today because I haven't traded for a week, and also it's a no news Monday, so I really don't want to risk anything on my combines. So tomorrow I'm going to be starting 5 new combines. All right, so I'm going to basically show you guys what I do for my pre-market analysis. So I basically look for internal to external or external to internal liquidity. I'm going to go down to the daily time frame and see that we just swept out this external liquidity right here. So now I'm looking for internal retrace to the 50% mark of this swing low. So we mark out equilibrium here. We see that equilibrium aligns somewhat with this fair value gap here. So this is my target for today. I want to see us reach back into this 4-hour fair value gap. All right, so for M and Q, there's really no fair value gaps in discount besides this one all the way up here. So I probably will end up targeting this one up here. All right, so now what I do is I look at what previous sessions did. So let's go check what Asia and London did. We've just been pumping up ever since Asia and London. We haven't really got any clear retracement. I'm bullish today. I want to see a retracement to equilibrium because we just swept some big sell side liquidity here. So this looks like a clear London reversal, New York continuation. So I'm going to probably be looking for a continuation trade today. I do want to see some sort of retracement into a fair value gap before the move higher, maybe like a 5-minute or 15-minute, and then I could find my entry off of there. All right, so we're getting some sort of retracement now. Maybe into one of these 1-minute fair value gaps. If we see a good flip, I'll take longs since we have such a strong draw on liquidity. But ideally, I want to see a return into this 5-minute gap after the candle closes. All right, so we're getting good displacement out of that gap. So I'm going to enter long here on demo, of course.
Order filled.
So this is what I would do if I was on a real account. We tap into this 1-minute gap on ES. We have SMT because I didn't tap it on M and Q. I would have my stop right here, and then I would target equilibrium, probably take profit at this 15-minute unmitigated gap, and then hold the rest to equilibrium. I'm so confident in my strategy now, guys. Like, I've been back testing and just understanding more of the markets, and I just have such a clear vision on where price is going to go now. And if I just stick to my rules, I know I'm going to be profitable. And the time I did get a payout was when I started sticking to my rules, and I know what works, and I'm just as confident as I've ever been now.
Order filled.
There we go, TP1 hit, stop at break even now, and now we let this thing run. But yeah, I know a lot of you are probably wondering why I didn't just take this trade on some real combines that I could pass, but truly it is because something that I struggle with is chasing instant gratification, and basically it's just proving to myself I can go one day without trading a real account, and proving to myself that I trust my system, and in the long run I know I'll be profitable. Guys, when you're trading, make sure not to be too mechanical, because I easily could have missed out on this trade if I just waited for this 5-minute gap that I wanted. Like down here, remember I was waiting for this 5-minute gap, but I ended up seeing that this 1-minute gap ended up having strong displacement out of it, and we had an internal SMT. So it's just that intuition. I've seen this so many times that I understand that after this sort of thing happens, we just move higher without the retracement lower. Alright, we formed a 1-minute SMT right here after tapping into this fair value gap. So we can now move our stops up because this low is now protected. But yeah, as you guys can see, this SMT right here ended up holding, and we probably will get a deeper retracement now. So I'm just going to let it run to my stop. Alright boys, price is just chopping now, and my mic's about to die, so I'm going to pick up the camera after it hits TP or my stop loss. So I'll see you boys in a bit. Alright boys, as you can see, we got stopped out in profit, but we still ended the day with 1.1k, so it would have been a nice trade if I took it on a real account, but this is just demo, and I think we will end up tapping equilibrium by the end of the day. If I can trade like this on a regular account with this psychology, like, I didn't really care at all about like what happened in the trade. I just took a good setup and just let it play out. If if I could trade like this on a regular account, I could easily be profitable because I know my strategy is profitable and it's just about me following my rules and sticking to it. But yeah, now we're about to eat some pre-workout oatmeal and then head to the gym. So I'll see you boys there. All right, boys, we're back. We hit a quick leg day. We got a Young LA package. Let's see what I got. We got some nice baggy sweats with the cross. You already know what we've got to rep my faith. Comment down below, guys. Are these tough? All right, boys, you just finished editing the trade recap, and I wanted to show you boys this look. Price ended up coming down, stopping us out, and now it's heading back up to equilibrium. So my daily bias was correct. As you can see, we're really close to equilibrium on MES and almost there on MNQ. So we had a good bias. Can't wait to get back on these combines tomorrow. Follow all my rules, stick to my plan, and hopefully become the best trader I can be. All right, boys, I just got to work. I got a pretty long shift, so I'll see you boys when I get out. All right, boys, you're back home now. We just finished editing the YouTube video, so about to get that posted and then finish off the day by reading some scripture. If you boys haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure to join the Discord. I'll leave the link down below. Join the community. We're all in there growing together. Have a good night. I'll see you boys tomorrow.